Alright, so our first topic for Engineering Calculus 1 is all about functions. No? So, based on your core syllabus, um, we will be starting here. But before that, before we dig in, we are going to learn first how calculus started. So, calculus is a branch of mathematics which started to develop in the 17th century. So we have Wilhelm Leibniz and Sir Isaac Newton as the one who created or were the ones who created calculus independently of each other and amazingly at about the same time. So both of them. Now the invention of calculus has provided a lot of things sa mga scientists and mathematicians. So today, it has the most important applications of every field of study that uses mathematics. So it was derived from the Latin word stone or pebble. Because in ancient times daw, pebbles were used for counting. So it's a Latin word, no? Ang calculus. So in the study of calculus, the first important concept or idea is the concept of limit. So mo na siya ato ang storyaan on the second video. So karon, we first know what functional notation is. So a functional notation or a function is a certain law of correspondence. It is generally associated with formula. Example. So example diri is ang area is equal to pi r squared. Now that is a formula. So how is that a function? So each value there is a r or sa radius. Diri sa radius, each value corresponds with r, there corresponds a value of a. For example, na value si r diri. So a is equal to pi 5 square. Ang pi nimo is ang r nimo is 5, no? So naay value ang a. So kung say value sa r, naay value ang a, therefore a is a function of r, or it can be written as a is equal to function of r, like that. So let's have an example. The area of a rectangle is 6 squared inches. Express the perimeter P of the rectangle as a function of the length x of one side. Okay. So, ang buhaton daw nato is i-express nato si P, perimeter sa rectangle, as a function of the length x. So, si length daw, mahimong x. Remember that the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is P is equal to 2 times length plus width, diba? So, tara. And, ang area daw is 6. So, area is equal to 6, no? So, si area is length times width man, diba? Area is length times width, diba? In a rectangle, length, width. So, mo ni siya ang area. So, now, according to the problem, the function or the length here will be x. So, kani siya mahimog x. And kaning w wala. So, as is w. So, therefore, si L mahimong x, si w makuha nato siya if we both divide this by x. So w now is L over x. Therefore, it's 6 over x. So therefore, we can rewrite this problem here. Kaya maanam siya, express the perimeter P as a function of length x of one side. So length x ta of one side. Therefore, x tanan diri na side. So therefore, i-substitute nato 2, multiply siya sa L, which is ang x, no? L is ang x, plus 6 over x, which is ang w's. Therefore, this is our final answer. Okay? Now, for number 2, very simple, no? It's a function. If f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x, we are going to find f of f minus, or f of negative 5. So this is very easy. You just simply substitute. Let's answer A. So f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x. So, what is f of negative 5? So, just simply substitute. So, that is 25 plus 20. Therefore, this is 45. Don't forget to box your final answer. For letter B, f of y squared plus 1. So, f of y squared plus 1. So, si x daw may mag y squared plus 1. So, therefore, this is y squared plus 1. Yung squared na to. Minus 4 times y squared plus 1. Okay? So, pwede siguro nato siya i-bulago, no? So, this is therefore y4 plus 2y squared plus 1. Tama ba? Minus 4y squared minus 4. So, can we combine? Yes, we can combine this and this. So, therefore, that's y to the power of 4 minus 2y squared. Kanipod, negative 4 plus 1, that's minus 3. And that is your final answer. Thanks to technology, no? Straight out mga linya. Na. Alright, for letter C. Letter C. So, f of x plus delta x. Okay, so, balik ng delta, delta. So, kani siya is delta, di na siya diamond. Okay, that's delta. Ay, sorry, triangle din. Di na siya triangle. That's delta x. So, delta. Okay, we'll be encountering a lot of delta in the long derivative method. Okay, so, balik ta. Sana ta? Ay, x squared, sorry, x squared is x plus delta x squared minus 4 times x plus delta x. Okay, so therefore, this is equivalent to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 4x minus 4 delta x. Okay, notice that ma-factor out nato siya, oh. Tara ba? 2, nya kani siya 1, nya ang b niya, di ba? Sa Cramer's rule, di ba? 2, 1, then 0 ang niyang b, then diri na siya 1 ang b, di ba? 0, 1, nya diri nag 2. So, we can simplify this 1. Okay, actually, pwede na ganyang answer, but we can simplify this one by x plus delta x times x plus delta x minus 4. Siya na straight. Okay. How about letter D? Letter D sa to. Kani. So, recall lang ni siya sa ato ang math plus, diba natin yung nani. So, sa to x squared minus 4x, tama. So, f of x minus, so si x ani ang una is x, kasi isulat sa nato ha, para dito malibog. F of x is sa to x squared minus 4. So, unsa daw ang f of x plus 1 minus f of x minus 1. Okay. Tarong na to. Okay. So, first is x plus 1 squared minus 4 minus 4. Ano ba yung x? O minus 4x, diba? Times, ang x ato is x plus 1. Di pa tapos. Minus. Ano siya is x squared. So, x minus 1 ang isa. x minus 1 squared minus 4 times x minus 1. Okay. Ganun na naman na, sir. So, simply, i-minus lang nimo ang f of x plus 1 o f of x minus 1. So, unsa si f of x plus 1, substitute nimo diri. Unsa po si minus f of x minus 1 is minus lang nimo diri. So, nana siya. Next, we are going to distribute x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 4x minus 4 minus x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 4x plus 4. Excuse me. Ano siya is, mahimo na ni siya og 4x minus 2x. So, that's negative. Minus 3. Then, kani, x squared. So, kani siya guys is negative 4x minus 2. Minus 6x man siya. So, may mo siya minus minus, so plus 6x. Okay, and then 4 plus 1, 5. So, minus 5. So, combine x squared. So, 6 minus 4. So, 6 minus 2 is 4x. Tapos, negative 5 is 3. So, minus 8. Or, simplify that one. That's 4 times x minus 2. That is your final answer. Okay. So, next. Number 3. If x minus 8y cubed equals 0, express y as a function of x. So, express y as a function of x now. So, meaning, or which means that, ibalhin nato si x diri x is equal to 8y cubed. Okay. Express na nato siya in terms of x. So, divide nato siya both sides by 8, by 8. Okay. Para ang mabilin is, wala na ni. Ay, sorry. Wala na siya. So, ang mabilin is y cubed equals x. Sorry. Sorry, this is ano di in terms of y. Okay. So, i-cube root nato, i-cube root para ang mabilin is y. So, mabilin is cube root of x over 2. Ba ko? Cube root of x. Anong mara siya 3. So, tarong na itong sulat, no? Kasi ako na mali ko. Is equal to y. So, this is our final answer. So, in terms of y man daw, kani siya express y as a function. Sorry, no? Tama lagi to. Express y as a function of x. Express y. So, express na to si y as a function of x. So, mga bilin dapat diri x, mabilin dira sa right is ang y or vice versa. Okay? Another example, para dili kay siya libog. I know, nalibog mo sa akong explanation sa previous. Kani, if y is equal to tan of x plus pi, find x as a function of y. So, therefore, ang buhaton na to diri, find x. So, x daw, dapat x is equal to what? Na. So, kani kaganina, express y as a function of x. So, unsa ang expression diha sa right. So, kani yung expression diri sa left. So, sir, unsaon man na, sir, na naaman sa sulod ang x? Naaman ni sa sulod, unsaon ka nato na siya pag x equals? Okay. Let us remember in trigonometry, na perfect sa triangle, no? So, theta, sige, this is A, this is B, this is C. Remember that tan theta, di ba? So, katoa, so toa, opposite over adjacent, which is B. Okay? So, therefore, theta is equal to arctan of A over B. So, kani po siya diri guys, kaning tan x plus pi, mahimo po na siya og x plus pi equals arctan arctan ay sa nalibog ko ay tama arctan y ana no so ngano na naman sir pare lang dire so theta is equal to arctan a plus b kay y man na siya dire so this is coming from y is equal to tan x plus pi no so therefore ang theta nato dire ilet nato ni siya as theta so theta no is equal to arctan then kung unsa ang naa sa right side which is y so kani dire ang naman dire is a over b okay so therefore we will have express man siya as x is equal to arctan isulat na to arctan pa dili pangit arctan of y minus pi so this is your final answer. Ayan. So, that is it for this video. The next topic that I will be discussing is all about limits. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.